Starting a business and so confused where to start? Keep watching because you've come to the right place. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Minyoung, and if you're new here, welcome! I make dog treat and dog bakery business videos. In today's video, I'm so excited because I'm going to be discussing the 10 important steps to implement in your business in order to create that rock solid foundation. These are the steps or tasks to check off before you launch your business. I know emotions and excitement take over, and we just want to get into the fun part, which is creating and getting your ideas and or products out into the world. But first, my fellow business owners, setting the foundation, the structure, the strong bones in your business is so crucial to have a thriving, successful business and to start off on the right foot by setting the right systems in place. You want to set yourself up for success. And win, win, win. If you're here because you want to learn how to start a pet treat business and learn how to register your dog treat company the right way, I created a pet treat business and how to register mini course showing you in detail how to register and be compliant to sell. A link for this mini course and enrollment information will be in the description box below. Now, grab your favorite notebook and pen and let's get into the business foundation steps. Here we go. Number 1, register your business. First, finalize your business name. This is the very first important step because you'll need your business name to fill out forms and to register. Then when you have that done, then it's time to choose a business entity or structure with your state. Here are the business structures you can choose from: sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, otherwise known as LLC, or a corporation, which you can choose from a variety of corps: S Corp, C Corp. The world is your oyster. You can make a chart and do compare and contrast to see which business structure is right for you and your business. Many small businesses, including myself, formed an LLC because it's the fastest and easiest, and not only that, the LLC structure also protects the business owner. But then again, that's my preference, but you can do whatever you feel is the best for you and your company. I want you to keep in mind ownership rules, liability, taxes, filing requirements vary state by state, so make sure you research and check with your state. Number 2, register with the IRS for tax purposes. When you start registering for a business, you must register for an employer identification number, also known as EIN or FEIN. An EIN is like a social security number for your business. You will need this number for taxes, open a bank account, apply for a business credit card. It's easy to apply and you can apply for one on IRS.GOV. Number 3, register with your city. In order to receive permission to sell and to operate your business, apply for a business license and or permits. Every city will have their own process and procedures, so please reach out to them and explain what your business is all about, and they'll let you know how to proceed and which forms to fill out. Number 4, set up a business bank account. It is so important to set up a separate business account for spending and to keep track of cash flow, meaning money coming in, money going out. Mixing up your finances can be messy, so keeping them separate will help you not to use your business funds for personal spending. So keep those two things separate. You can choose any bank you want that you're comfortable with. Choose a bank with a personalized small business service. That way you can have a point person to contact if you have any questions or concerns about your banking needs. Number 5, figure out how you would like to set up your bookkeeping/accounting to keep track of your expenses. Keeping track of your expenses will help your business have healthy financials. It is so important to look at your cash flow and your bank balance every single day to monitor all your income coming in and your expenses going out. It's just better to know exactly where each dollar or penny is going so you know you're not losing anything. Remember to keep track of your income, expenses, mileage, if you do events, farmers market, all the things that are counted as an expense for your business. You'll need this information when it comes to tax season. I know, tax season. I dread this too, but here's a motivating factor to help you stay on top of things. Don't want to lose money. You don't want to lose money just because you didn't track your expenses. There are a variety of softwares you can use to organize your bookkeeping. You can use QuickBooks, Xero, or even manually with Excel when you're just starting out. Number 6, planning your business with a business plan. I know, I know, this is the part nobody likes to do. This seems daunting, or maybe sometimes it doesn't even seem necessary to some. But don't worry, you don't have to come up with an elaborate 100-page business plan with financials, projections, charts, graphs. You don't need to do that. You can just put together a mini business plan with your mission statement, customer avatar, and your 1-3-5 year-end goals. By putting together a plan, you can always have something to refer back to help you keep on track. Your business is going to continually evolve as you grow, so having this elaborate business plan, you don't really need it. You just need a mini one. In addition to a mini business plan, plan your startup capital. This is so important. You definitely do not want to go in blindly financially and not knowing how much capital you need. Trust me, if you don't do this, your business journey will be so stressful because you're just going to be constantly guessing how much money things are going to cost, and you're just going to always be on edge because you're like, oh no, unexpected, unforeseen costs, and it's just going to get overwhelming. Plus, if you project way less than you need by thinking in your brain what you need, your business will be over before it gets off the ground because you simply ran out of money. Remember, if you fail to plan your business goals, strategies, and financials, you're pretty much planning to fail. Number 7, social media. This goes without saying. Sign up for all of your social media accounts on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, all the platforms. Social media is a super powerful tool to help you get your business out there and for people to find your brand. I mean, this is like free advertising, right? A social media platform is also a great way to create that warm audience, to receive feedback, and to engage with them, which is so priceless because you couldn't do that before social media. Number 8, e-commerce. We live in a world of online shopping. Simply put, if you're not selling online, you're losing a lot of potential sales and customers. But don't worry, if you're not ready to build out a website just yet, you can register your domain for now so nobody else can take your domain. You can just start by creating a simple landing page, letting visitors know about your brand and to let them know about your products and, of course, your launch date. The most important, you can start collecting those emails. I want to point out here, your social media, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest, it's not a replacement for your website. I get this question all the time. Can I just do social media? The answer is no. Just by having a social media platform is just not enough. It's fine in the beginning, but as you start selling, you should have a website. This isn't an area for you to save money. You need a website which serves as a one-stop shop to house your brand, such as products and the description, branding, blog. Remember, this isn't a retail front. Your website is where people can learn about your products and purchase from you, and you want to make it as seamless as possible for customers to make their decision and make that purchase. You're replacing a retail store, so the site, the touch, the feel is not there. So you have to really project that on the screen. When you're ready to start building a website, choosing an e-commerce platform and building a site is now easier than ever. There are a variety of platforms to choose from Shopify, Squarespace, Wix. Each platform has a variety of website templates. You can just either drag and drop or upload, and apps to help you sell professionally. Plus, the best thing is you do not need to know how to code. Of course, if you need help, you can always hire a freelancer to help build a site for you. Number 9, email marketing. Even though you don't have your business set up or have any products to sell just yet, it's never too early to start collecting those emails. This is a part where a lot of small business owners neglect, and please don't do that. There are many email marketing services you can choose from, like MailChimp and ConvertKit. This is super important because creating a warm audience, engaging with your potential customer upfront and beforehand will result in successful launches. I'm telling you, people just love being part of something that they believe in, which would be you and your company. And also, people love to get to know the person behind the brand. You certainly do not want to put in all that work with months of preparation only to launch with 0 to maybe a handful of sales, that would be terrible and so discouraging. You can email photos of the progression of your products and getting feedback from them, show them your workspace and other milestones in your business journey. This just creates a warm, I keep saying this, but this creates a warm audience and they're more invested in you. Number 10, setting up a professional business email. Guys, please do not run your business with your personal email account. And you definitely don't want to be answering emails from an unprofessional email like crazydogmom123456@gmail.com. I know this feels like common sense to some, but believe it or not, this happens. You can sign up for another Gmail account to keep your business and personal emails separate, or you can sign up with G Suite to start creating professional email addresses. For example, say your dog bakery is called ABC Dog Bakery, it would be hello@abcdogbakery.com instead of abcdogbakery@gmail.com. Of course, you don't have to do this just yet, but if you want to have separate email addresses for support, sales, technical, etc., G Suite is the way to go. You can start with a business starter plan for just $6 a month. And on a side note, in order to have that personalized at abcdogbakery.com, make sure you have your domain name registered first. I know it seems daunting and it seems like we just covered a lot of topics and all the things you need to do in order to launch your business, but once you tackle each step, you'll just feel more and more confident to move forward. And when you feel confident to move forward, you get more excited to launch your business. Well, that's all for today. I hope you found this information helpful so you can start building a strong foundation in your business. I want you to be a total success. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section below. As a reminder, if you are looking to take your learning further and are starting a pet treat business, you can sign up for the Business Fundamentals and Dog Treat Registration Process mini course. You can of course always connect with me on Instagram at Bobby Bambi's Dog Bakery or at Dog Bakery Academy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!